Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. In today's episode, we're going to go through ADA and Ethereum. The first thing that I want to say is that we could potentially have a W formation when it comes to ADA, and we just might see the market give us the second leg around 0.3 thousand for a potential continuation to the upside. But everything depends on how the market is behaving around this support, because we do have bearish momentum happening at the moment. But this can be the support where we just might see the market have a bounce up because we have the fake out. So we're using that as a guidance to see what could potentially happen on ADA. Comes to Ethereum, we have the same thing at the moment. We're very bearish and we are breaking below the support that we have around 1,560. On the lower time frames, we'll see if the market will drop down, give us another fake out from around 1,550. I'll break down everything in the video. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first. So please continue looking at this video and I'll show you in detail of what I see on Ethereum and on ADA right now. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies the same way as I do, then you can receive a bonus on the best platform, my own opinion right now, on BYBIT up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below my video. So you just scroll down and you have it here. This is for you if you want to have low fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time. You have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. This is how it looks when you're looking at BYBIT. On the left side, you have all of your different coins. On the right side, you have the leverage, how much you are willing to put in on each positions that you're taking. And when you've been trading, then you can also go in and sign up on Kasta. And at this moment, you can get up to 200 Kasta by depositing $20 right now by using my link. So what Kasta is good for is for each and everyone that wants to send cryptocurrencies instant and for free. And this is how it looks when you're coming into it. This is an app that you're downloading. But the great thing when it comes to Kasta is that we can actually wait for them to give us a debit card. So if you're able to, first of all, send money to the people that you want to send your money to, and then you can also spend your money when you're outside, which I definitely love. We all know that cryptocurrency is coming in more and more and more in the society, and we all want to send our cryptocurrencies for free and instant too. So make sure to use the link in the description down below the video. Both of the links are of course connected to me. This is how you are supporting my channel. You have the link down below this video. And of course, as always, make sure to go in and follow me on my Twitter. You have the link right here. This is also where I'm giving you daily updates about cryptocurrencies. You guys know what Twitter is, so make sure to follow me there too. And now we're getting into the charts. Hello. Okay, so we're starting out, we're looking at Ethereum because we were looking at BTC yesterday. So we're going to have a little deeper insight of what's happening on Ethereum. We are going sideways inside the sideways market. The big sideways market is between 1,800 down to 1,150. Where we at right now, this is still the weekly chart. So we are consolidating at 1,670 and 1,500. Now we understand that this is on the weekly now. We are consolidating. Break down to the to the daily chart. What's happening? We're using the trend line. This was something that we also were looking in the live stream that I did have earlier today. You can still see how volatile the market is to the downside at the moment. So we of course are using the support at 1,500 to see if the market will continue to drop down to these levels, and from here we're just going to continue to see if the market is going to continue to go sideways or not. Breaking down it to the 4-hourly chart, we can also see that on the 4-hourly we are consolidating after this big drop that we did have. The market is usually going sideways after that. What we're doing at this time, I spoke about how we potentially could see the market if the market would have bigger momentum up to retest some other levels before we see the drop, but it looks like the support is the one that we will break. Potential retests around these levels for us to continue down. I strongly believe that we will continue to be bearish from here, and that is around 1,500. That's the next level that Ethereum can reach now. One thing that we still have to have in mind, we have this little support at 1,550. It just might potentially give us another fake out around these levels at 1,550. This is the first leg, this is the second, so we need to see if this is going to be another fake out or not. So remember, the fake outs are everywhere when it comes to cryptocurrency, so we need to have that in mind. But overall, we look extremely bearish at the moment. I'm just waiting for the market to drop down a little bit to create the low and then give me the push, at that point I'll see if I'm able to find a short position. And if that is the case, because everything is probabilities, then we're looking to see if the market will continue to drop to 1,500. Someone did ask me about ADA, so let us look at what could potentially happen here. So first thing that we're gonna do is that just try to understand where we at on the chart, and the market is of course giving us a previous support, became a new resistance. One thing that I do want to do is that I want to use the support that we have before the last low, and that is around 0.3 thousand. And from here I want to see if this will be where the market is. This is the level that we're going to see if we're going to continue to drop down or not, because you can see how the market gave us a high actually, because we did break above this level at 0.3230. You can already see how the market on the weekly is retesting these levels between the level 0.3308, if we want to be precisely, and 0.2912. This is where we can continue to see the market drop down to, but then retest the previous support before we had a fake out, which means that if the market comes down to this level, this can also be where we see the market give us the bounce and continue up. But if the market, as always, are breaking below these levels that I'm giving you, then we just might also see the market give you a retest from below. So everything is about patience. At the moment, looking at it, we are going down, but it's still around these levels that we want to see if the market's gonna give us another high, or if the market, this is where the market is preparing itself to continue to drop. But on the lower time frames, we're still very bearish, but we're looking at the previous support before the fake out that we did have. But the overall perspective, yeah, we just have to wait and see if this is the last low that we have before the market slowly instead it continues to go up, maybe go sideways, we do not know. But that's the level that I'm looking at right now when it comes to ADA, to see if we have a second leg, first leg, second leg, a potential continuation. With that, we will also have the W formation. This could potentially be the first leg, and we'll see if we have another second leg. With a W formation, we usually have a spike up, so this is definitely a pattern that we could potentially see. This is on the weekly chart, so it will take some time before that has formed, but just have that in mind. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, when I do have my daily updates. Tomorrow will me and Andy have a collab live stream, so make sure to be on that one. Have a great day and a weekend. Toodles!